Welcome friend for installing MS SQL part 2. Now we are going to install Microsoft SQL Management Studio for connecting SQL database. So here install SQL tool, you can click it, and now you can see open a Microsoft website. Here is the link, you just click it, and now downloading start. It's a 800 around MB tool, you can just save it, and then we can install. Now I have downloaded the setup, you just double click and run the setup. Here is a, you can just click on run, or this is the for click on install to installing this software. Now setup is going on. When it's completed, we just reboot the server for set up all the services properly. So my setup is completed, and I'm going to restart this PC. Now my server is restarted. So now you just go and click on start, and you just click on arrow button and find MS SQL Management Studio. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, this one, Microsoft Management Studio server. Yeah, you just click it and open it, and it's initialized first time, and your SQL Server Management Studio is opening. And when it's open, we just go with the SA account, SAG administrator account. You just click on SQL Server authentication, second one, and I'm going with the SA account. It's an administrative account. You if you want, you just create your user as per your requirement. You click it. Now database is connected, so we just run a simple query for testing of this software. So I'm just going to run select underscore version to check this version, and all these things. You can also check in right hand side. So now I am go and execute it. So see Microsoft SQL servers to